Hello Quora users, today I'll guide you through the accurate process of changing the language on Quora, allowing you to navigate the platform in your preferred language. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Quora account using your current username and password. Then navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture, or the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Language. Here, you'll find options to customize your language preferences. Find the option to change the language and click on it. Quora supports multiple languages, so choose the language you want to use from the drop-down menu. Once selected your preferred language, click on the Save Changes or Update button to apply the changes to your account. Refresh your Quora page to see the changes reflected in your chosen language. Quora's interface and content will now be displayed in the language you selected. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on Quora to your preferred language. Now you can navigate and interact with the platform more comfortably. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.